News today, we're seeing drifts further away from all-time highs. So we're going to be looking at this article. We're live on Coinmarketcap's blog, Alexandria. Article is done by Connor Sefton, and you're welcome to Akahilz tube. Right here, what we'll do crypto news and lots of other stuff. So at the end of this tutorial video, if you find this tutorial helpful, if you find this informative, you can feel free to like this video, share, comment, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll also be giving a giveaway to our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to be part of this family, you can subscribe for free, guys, below. So we're going to be looking at table of content, a healthy pullback. So Bitcoin has continued to drift further from ATH all-time highs, pouring cold water on the idea what the further rally and new record prices are imminent. So the world's biggest cryptocurrency was trading in an exceedingly tight range for most of Thursday, remaining stuck between $64,121 to $65,583. So although BTC managed to break through $65,000 on multiple occasions, the digital asset struggled to remain above this price point. So Friday morning, Bitcoin plunged from $65,000 to $63,700 in little over an hour, and at the time of writing, it is 7.5% away from the ATH of $68,789,000 set on Wednesday. So guys, we have a CoinMarketCap's podcast here, which you can check. Is available on Apple Podcast, Spotify, and also Google. Interviews between top crypto influencers. You get to hear about their opinions on happenings in the crypto world, especially the metaverse that is currently trending. So it says here, many analysts don't appear to be too concerned about Bitcoin sideways price action, nor the dip seen on Friday. So such activity is regarded as extremely healthy for the market because it allows the cryptocurrency to grow more sustainably. So warning that further pain may lie ahead, crypto analyst at Galaxy BTC wrote on Twitter, said a drop to 59 to 61k followed by some consolidation will be the best way to continue the bull run, in my own opinion. So it might not happen, but it would be extremely healthy for both BTC and altcoins to be prepared either way. So guys, that's all for today's article. Live on CoinMarketCap blog, Alexandria. You can check all trading updates and news updates here, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you find this informative. It's your keys, and peace out, guys. And let us know what you feel in the comment section. See you in our next upload.